Okay, so I went and got some microlinks done. I only got them done because I wanted to wear this little button thing, but I did take the time to actually curl them up. Do what it do. But these are microlinks. You get tons of versatility with these microlinks. That's the reason why I went and got them done. It's like super thick, but yes, I do got on 2 different lashes because I was trying to see which one I was gonna wear today. But I wanted to come and show you guys these microlinks. You can put it all up in a ponytail as well. The little side part going. Do any side you want to do. I did this side over here. I'm not really a middle side person, but you can put it up in a ponytail. So let me show you that. Let's put this all here. Things are still a little tight. I have these microlinks so I can just put my hair up in a little bun. This. I'm gonna go around so y'all can see the back of my head. Like so. There you have it. So